So we're looking at apartments. We're near
Alino kay parang makuha niya gawa kasi mas basta din kasi akin kay original.
Apartment daw.
Ha? Wala. Paano titignan? Wala naman ilaw.
Pero
Ay, 5 o'clock lang kami nag-enter.
It's just only hotel for
alida na ang doon paklat niya. Kasi
okay, alright, that's fine. Yeah, so we're too late.
7:05. It's maybe till 5 p.m.
Mm.
May washroom sa likod.
It's big.
Yeah,
Mhm.
very big.
It feels pretty hot in here.
7.
Mm. Does the water work?
There's already water and electric.
Oh, water
We're
and
just moving in.
okay.
The water.
So that's the water, huh?
There's a shower. We just need to get
Pa-install na lang pwede.
install. But right now it's just
You see the water?
yeah, it's good. Yes. I think it's too big.
2 bedrooms.
Yeah, 2 bed.
And then there is a closet here.
Closet.
Yeah. 7.5.
7.5.
7.5.
Hmm.
Yeah, everything has a.
There's like 3 bedrooms.
Yeah, 2 bedroom.
I mean 3.
Yeah, then you can put these salads at that.
There's 3 bedrooms. And what's that? This over here?
That's a washroom.
Oh, there's a washroom back there. Okay. Thank you.
Balik na lang kami kapag ano.
Thank you. So, is this Diamond District or is this still Mountain View?
Mountain View. I think Mountain View. Let's see.
Yeah. So right now we're on the border of like Mountain View and Diamond District. Kind of. Probably still Mountain View.
That's the big one. 17.
Yeah.
But it's not included there.
Yeah, it's really big for 7.5. It felt really hot in there. Didn't it feel so hot?
It's so comfortable.
Yeah, it was like, why was it?
You have to provide your own things. Everything.
No, but it just felt hot. I don't know.
I think in Havana.
Well, Havana, it was 8K and it looked nicer. Yeah.
But everything it's almost everything.
So we're at the Diamond District Waterworks building. So this is where we're at right now. Just so you guys know, we walked along Dau. We didn't really find anything that we liked. Then we walked towards Mountain View. There's a lot of different side streets in Mountain View, so we didn't go down all of them. Here's a place for rent, guys. If you want to call this place, they have like a bunch of dogs barking though, so I don't know if you want to stay in this spot. So we're here at the Savers Mall, and we're gonna look for something to eat around here. closed. Okay, so never mind, it's not closed. Okay, so there's air conditioner. This is nice. It smells like empty, oh my gosh. There's like one place. The Mari, some Asian place, Japanese place, but there's nobody there. There's some people at this place right here. Cactus Jack. It's probably expensive over there though. Probably expensive. You like it here? We're gonna check upstairs, see what they have. And guess how much she paid for this? 53 pesos. And this is 600 milliliters. It doesn't work. Yeah, so she paid 53 pesos for 600 milliliters, and you can get a whole liter of bottled water for 20 pesos. And she got it at the Sorry store. So we're gonna go upstairs, and the Savers Mall. I don't think there's anything up here though. Let's go up here and check. Yeah, this place used to be popular, I heard.
Yeah, it's a mall.
Oh. Okay, the upstairs is empty. This is empty over here. Robinson's Appliances,
This is the one that I...
Gadgets. So there's nothing here, guys. Alright, so let's go down. There's nothing here. Nothing. I don't know, this is like a dead mall or something. So the mango shake. This is the mango shake from Tequila Reef. And this was 180 pesos. So it's pretty expensive. It's good. It's good but expensive.
You eat the mango already there.
And this is the beef enchilada
That's big.
from the Tequila Reef. And sometimes they say it's small, sometimes it's bigger. This one looks like a pretty big one. It comes with some salsa. This is for 220. 220 pesos, so that seems about right for this. And they made the food fresh because it took a long time, not like the fragrant Thai, where it came. I think they reheated the food in fragrant Thai, and then I had the runs afterwards. So, but at Tequila Reef, you know, it's that they make it fresh, although a little bit more on the. A little bit more expensive though. And this is the seasick
Yeah, so sick.
from the Tequila Reef. It comes with the rice. Huh? Yeah. I want kawawa. You can carry it. That's so much. So we're looking at this apartment right on my street, right next to my apartment, and it's actually like a dentist's office.
This one is just for.
It's like a nice building, right? But look at this sign. And I was like, yeah, this place looks like like a pretty good place. And then look what it says.
No, because it's foreigners always be going out at night.
It says no foreigners.
Students only.
No, it says no.
It's only for the students.
No, it says no students.
No students?
Yeah, no students. Yeah, so I was like, oh.
For just working.
Yeah, I was like, this place, it looks
It's just for the working.
it looks like a clean place, Dentist office on the bottom, but yeah, no foreigners. Yep. So it was kind of surprising.
Because the